Welcome to Sakaraka Safar. Get ready to embark on a cosmic journey through the 12 signs of the zodiac as we explore the power of Mercury, the planet that governs communication, intellect, learning, and expression. In this exciting video series, we'll be diving deep into Mercury's influence on each zodiac sign, from Aries to Pisces, and unlocking how Mercury's energy affects you based on its position in the houses of your natal chart. But we're not stopping there. We'll also be exploring the incredible concept of Mercury's exaltation and debilitation, so you can fully understand how this planetary energy shines at its best and where it might face challenges. Mercury is often referred to as the messenger planet. It's the planet of thoughts, communication, and reasoning. Mercury influences everything from the way we express ourselves and process information to how we connect with others. Whether we're solving problems, sharing ideas, or learning new things, Mercury guides it all. Mercury in exaltation brings out mental brilliance, sharp analytical skills, and clear communication. Think of it as Mercury at its best, functioning like a finely tuned instrument that's working in perfect harmony with your thoughts and words. Mercury can express its highest potential when it's in these signs, making communication smooth, intellect razor sharp, and ideas flow effortlessly. Mercury in debilitation can show challenges in communication, misunderstandings, and disorganized thinking. When Mercury is in debilitation, you might find yourself feeling confused or struggling to express your ideas clearly. But this energy also has growth potential. Through introspection and adaptation, Mercury's challenging positions can lead to deep wisdom, creativity, and emotional intuition once embraced. For Gemini, on 11th February 2025, Mercury enters Aquarius in the ninth house of higher learning, philosophy, travel, and luck for Gemini ascendants. Mercury is accompanied by Saturn and will soon be conjunct Sun on 13th February, forming Budh Aditya Yoga. The ninth house governs wisdom, education, and spiritual beliefs. Mercury's presence here makes intellectual pursuits stronger, supporting students, researchers, and teachers. This is an excellent time for higher education, professional certifications, and learning new skills related to technology, philosophy, or law. Saturn's influence brings discipline in academics, ensuring long term rewards. However, studies may require extra efforts and patience. Mercury in the ninth house enhances travel opportunities, particularly for education or work. Those applying for foreign universities, work visas, or international business projects may see progress. Business related travel can be beneficial, but Saturn's presence indicates delays or additional formalities. This is a powerful time for philosophical introspection. Mercury, being an intelligent planet, helps analyze life's purpose and personal beliefs with clarity. Some Gemini natives may seek guidance from mentors, spiritual teachers, or engage in meditation and philosophical discussions. There are some challenges and things you would need to watch out for, such as delayed results in education or travel plans due to Saturn's slow moving energy. There may be possible conflicts with father, gurus, or mentors. Patience will be key. Avoid making impulsive judgments about religious or philosophical matters. There are some practical remedies for Mercury in your ninth house, such as donating books or stationery to students to enhance Mercury's blessings. Wear yellow or light green on Wednesdays to boost Mercury's energy. Be patient with travel and academic pursuits. Delays will lead to long term success. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or need further insights, feel free to contact us through the WhatsApp number shown on your screen. See you in the next video.